Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the AccuSure AS automatic digital blood pressure monitor. This particular blood pressure monitor acts as a motion detector. It has one-touch operation. It comes with WHO classification indicator. It measures irregular heartbeat. It comes with an extra large LCD display and also comes with USB charging. Over here there's an image of the blood pressure monitor and it says it comes with an extra large display, 60 reading memory and one touch operation, and there's also an USB port because this particular device supports USB charging. It also comes with 1 year warranty. More or less the same information on this side. There's some more specifications mentioned here. Cuff size is 22 centimeters to 36 centimeters. Weight is 226 grams without batteries, which is pretty light. Operating temperature is 5 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius and anything more. Power source, 4 AA batteries, and yeah, that's more or less it. I will now open this box and show you what's inside. So these are the components of the bag, of this box rather. Over here we have the user manual for the AccuSure automatic digital blood pressure monitor. The model is AS. You should read this document very carefully. After all, this is a medical instrument. You should not only read this, but make sure that you do, follow the instructions given here very clearly, especially the safety instructions. And yeah, that's it. This is a thank you note actually. Okay, this is the warranty card from AccuSure. It's also an important document. Make sure these documents are safely kept. These are the 4 AA batteries that you will use to power this device. There you go. These are 4 AA batteries. And this is the cufflink that you will use to measure blood pressure. So it's written over here 1 to 2 centimeters is a gap basically, and 22 to 36 centimeters, this is the limit of this particular cufflink. Now let's take a look at the blood pressure monitor. This is the automatic digital blood pressure monitor. And yeah, this is made out of ABS plastic, solid build. This will not get cracked or broken easily if you drop it from a height. It also has this unique shape which makes it quite stable on a flat surface. This is the micro USB charging port. Speaking of which, let's see where the charging cable is. This is the pneumatic tube that you'll be using to basically push air inside the cuff. And okay, do we have a USB charging cable? No, the USB charging cable, the micro USB charging cable is not provided. At least I don't see it here. Okay, it's not provided. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to put these batteries inside the device. There you can see that this works on 4 AA batteries, which we have over here. So I'm going to insert these batteries and test it out on myself. So let's do that. So the batteries are in. It's slightly heavier now, that's okay. So the next thing you have to do is insert this pipe, this particular nozzle over here. So this is where the air will come out of, and it's in now. Now it's time to wear the cufflink. I'll be wearing it on my left arm. It's very simple, just open, put your arm through. I'll give you a wider look just so you can see. There you go. I put my arm through the cufflink and I'm going to tighten it using this Velcro surface right over here. And there. It's as simple as that. Now I'm going to press this button over here. The moment I press on, it starts measuring my pressure. So let's wait for this to get over. It will measure both systolic and diastolic. It takes a little while. It takes around 60 seconds, so this is barely any time for this machine here. There you go. It's 126 by 77. That's my 126 being my systolic and 77 being my diastolic. And this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the AccuSure AS automatic digital blood pressure monitor. Thank you for watching.